Now you send us message for IG.
Yes, I mean.
Good. In 1 minute, deposit. Waiting this up you.
So I got somebody problem to say the Indian man tell me make I stop work and I no get problem with him. Now his friend. Every time his friend go come, if he said this man go take the send me message anyhow. I just endure him. So that day he come send me say make I do sandwich for him. I tell her and I no go work on time that I no get time. I tell her sir, I no get time today. I no fit do this sandwich for you.
For his friend, not be your guy.
His friend. I no fit do this. I no fit do this one today. And the man is so ungrateful. If you do everything for him, finish, you know go tell you thank you. If he says this man they treat me, I don't know say I'm waiting the man carry for mine. He can't tell me say whether I think say to do sandwich for him, whether I think say na favor I dey do for whether I think say na I dey do am favor. Say na myself I dey do favor. Say if not because of them, say we no go dey chop for this country. We no go dey survive. And then as I said, no, so I no talk to me that way. He said he go fit talk to me anyhow. Say Nigerian government no go fit do anything. I no go fit do anything. Now that time I can't reply him. His friend come there where I dey work for, come dey shout for me. I dey try to explain to that one. That one come tell me say make I no explain anything. Say we know they understand anything for this country. We no get sense. Say we know they understand anything. So make I no tell him anything. Say make I tell him say make I apologize to his friend. Otherwise, make I no work. I said, now your friend insult me. I know insult your friend. Now your friend supposed to apologize to me. How I will apologize for your friend? Upon everything what your friend say now. Then I will come apologize on top. I said, I no go apologize for your friend. He said, make I drop him, make I no work again. I said, okay, you go pay me my full salary. Because of your work, I no go do other work where I supposed to do. I don't lose other work where I get. So you go pay me full salary, make I use on the marriage for this month until I see another work.
Which kind of work they work for the man, by the way?
I dey cook for and I dey clean his house.
Cook and cleaner. What be that your name again?
Na Sandra.
Sandra. So the man never agree pay you?
You no agree pay me.
And he said that the flavor doesn't they feed Nigeria. All of us feed ourselves.
The man no agree make I explain. You dey shout because the man they use drug.
Okay.
The man they use wetin?
They use wetin?
They use drug. And I dey suspect say the man they sell drug also.
Up your hand talk. Leave that talk now. Then with NDLE if they hold them. Oh, no, that one. That one they talk on alleged. Okay, so don't worry, Sandra. I go call the Indian man now.
Okay.
And his sister will give you work now. What did the sister they talk?
I don't go complain to that one. That one say make I go beg, start work. I say I no go fit beg. Now them insult me. Why I go beg for all these things where they talk to me? The sister say make I go. I say I no go apologize. That one say nothing concern am again. Say make I go do what anything I want to make I go do.
It's okay, no shake. Thank you, come on. Thank you.
Thank you.
I know why. I see the man, the Indian man number, the first one. One column.
Let me see. So that we balance the.
Need to balance the. Now the guy not to say the other, him boss, a friend, they always treat her bad each time when he come. So make you do sandwich for him. He said enough you do him at this point of her. Based on things where they body, the guy. You can't begin to talk to them anyhow. Can't even insult our country, join argument. Now, wow. What is our Ministry of our Ministry of Affairs? Hello.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you, sir?
I'm good. How about you?
You're great. My name is Tombo. I'm calling you from Wazobia FM, Lagos.
Okay.
Yes, your former staff, her name is Sandra. She actually reported something to us, so we decided to call you to find out exactly what happened.
Who?
One of your staff, your former staff, her name is Sandra, your cook and cleaner.
Okay.
Okay, she said she's no longer working for you, that you asked her to stop working.
Yes.
Yes, so she actually cried to us.
Okay.
Wazobia FM here in Lagos, one of the biggest pigeon radio station in Africa. So she said that you said that you will not pay her her money, her salary, her full salary, that you only pay for the number of days that she worked for you.
Did she explain you what she did and what were the terms of employment?
Yeah, well, that's what we're calling you. She said one of your friends approached that she should make a sandwich for her or something, for him rather. And so for some reason she said she was busy, she had other things to do, and your friend started abusing her before she reacted. And you asked her to stop working. So, I mean, we're calling you to find out from your end what exactly happened.
Good, that's good.
Yeah.
She basically joined me as a part-time employee, not a full-time employee. She is working full-time at another place.
Okay.
And I told her the time of engagement would be a short term because I'm here for a period of time and I would be traveling out of the country. That is number one. And for her to say, when my friend told her to make a cheese sandwich. Okay?
Yeah.
And she rudely replied she don't want to do it. When I went to her and asked her the question, what happened? Say I have got late from the other work. I don't have time. I have to go to the market, so I don't want to do it.
Hello, sir. Can you hold on? Let me call you. Don't call the call. I'll be back to you soon. Okay. Thank you.
Right.
Somebody said, "The man will not pick the call."
I tell you now. You don't that first time, so he don't know waiting.
The last time I say they life.
Yes, as he don't listen, so he don't they do internal consultation. Don't if you go call this lady back, pay him the money. Make I let you know something about them. I don't treat one issue like this before. I think now for Saturday work out. I don't want issue like this before. As they make mad, so they don't want anything when you go pinch them. I tell you.
I know where they come from. The worst thing will go happen, I say, if the man allow us to be involved in this.
Yeah. I will see him, Tombo. I'm telling you now. You will see. Maybe we don't take this assistant number, we'll go down under the arrivals later. You go see, he go reach out to this lady now.
Because our people, when they work for here, then they use their salary. They put
What are you? We
Nigerians, we value people. We value
our hospitality.
Foreigners, we respect and love them.
You know?
Wallahi, we do so. We respect
Come
and
here
love
now.
them. We value them.
And there's something in international relations, when our Ministry of, internal and external affairs, they do.
At all.
Everything was supposed to tie strings to any of our relationship with outside people then. As they come here, so you get your line. You go maintain that your line. No matter who you be. Are you getting me? Now our interest is supposed to be sacrosanct, it's supposed to be number one. Not be you to come here. If your country good, well, why you here? They do business.
May I read some message?
Yeah, now make our money and you begin to insult our people.
No, I would not take. I would take that. India, Lebanese, China have seen us like rat. Now we can keep ourselves like that.
Now I agree with you. I agree with this text time.
India man don't use this one as client to. This is one reason I can never work for you. Agarabos. I beg, we need to look into that girl matter. My nephew worked with one Indian company here in Lagos. They are very abusive people to work with. They treat Nigerians as rag and tell you nothing will happen. But when they back up, this nothing will happen. When they give them some of this mind.
They tell you.
It's just not our people.
Now our people, not be say, you saw say. They tell you say now our people so.
Welcome. Now 30 seconds. Now we hold on.
Good morning, sir. What I want to say, why? If as I hear this thing, I'm not surprised. My son, they work for Indian man too. Sure. The way when my son will tell me, say, see what thing then they do then, I know he's not happy. When even make me say, make my son leave that place. So this thing what then they do, as this woman talk this thing, I know they know whether not true or lie. But the one way my son tell me, I know they are not treating Nigerian well. Why? Because their manager are Nigerians. Not through our Nigerians, now where then they get man to do whatever then they do. Not through our Nigerians. Because now our Nigerians, they mostly be their manager. So we blame our Nigerians too. We not like ourselves. That's why they
now I service now. I service. You want to make increase in salary. Hello. Morning.
Robust man. Ogatombo.
How are you?
Na youngest.
Oh, the youngest.
Na well done.
Welcome.
Tombo Bella and Oga Robust man. You see this thing where they happen for this our Nigerian people where they work for Indian people and the Chinese. Now see finish. If I say our leaders lead well, do us well, they're not going to do us like this for our country. It's our country, so now then they punish our guests and our boys. Then they serve them. Now see finish. God go help us, so now well done there.
All right, thank you. Now that one, and I be the part one. Now we go help ourselves. God did there for every. Now the beginning when I raise hand there, now the mama or they carry. Now we supposed to help ourselves. You know, God did for every. Look, we pick other callers here. Big message there.
Message football.
More pick another caller here.
Hello, man.
Ogatombo, good morning, sir. Oga Robust, good morning, sir.
I greet you.
My name is Mary. I'm calling from Ikeja.
No one.
If you know how you go help that guy, because some of my friends where don't work with some of these Indians, almost all of them they complain. Say as they mature them, like say they no be human beings. Even to pay them money, say they no go pay them money. Even if they pay them money, the money you not use it today and do something. So that they go to treat Nigeria people very well. Because when we go to their own country, they'll not any bad way we do, they'll not take it. But when they come and they'll be doing anyhow with their life.
No shaking.
All right.
I get friends. I get friends where they work for India.
Yeah.
Some of them all come back and they're complaining and say the Indians don't tolerate any nonsense in their country.
You don't.
You don't try it.
You don't.
You don't try it. You dare not go prison. You dare not, no joke. But I still wonder why a lot of them, why don't they hear things about them will come Nigeria? They will just do things anyhow. They even tell you say nothing will stop, so nothing the country government will do.
I tell you, see,
I don't know why.
Wouldn't I tell you before we start this case? I seen that the name when you give your picking, 9 people will call them, 9 outsiders take call them. If you see the viral video when it trend that time, Abi,
I see that one now.
Quite shocker India people flogging a very bulky Nigerian for Delhi, New Delhi there.
I'll say this.
So now we know they give premium attention to ourselves, and at the way when we say truth be said, now the way our people they handle us for here, now they bring that see finish.
And again, we too they do like say if we no work this work now we will die.
We will die. But at the same condition now, who condition us to they feel like that?
See, until we use one person where they give to set example, the other people don't go sit up. I wish the government could just, the government they try. I wish they could just tell the ministry the way they are working on to look into all this thing to look into. By so doing,
internal affairs.
The Nigerians the way they work for here and diaspora, everybody will get sense of belonging.
This in a combo, Minister of Internal Affairs supposed to day upon this matter. Then Federal Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development. Farouk Kumar, she has said supposed to day upon this particular matter.
I'll reach her.
Are you okay?
Chook Pound. 95.1